Brian Lofty with Brian Lofty Lawn Care. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put a spark plug and a fuel filter in the Stihl Hs46C. To put the spark plug in, you got a little door right here. Just pop it open. Take some pliers. Pull the spark plug boot off. And take your spark plug wrench. It's hard to get to sometimes on these. Then you take your new one, and you tighten it down. Put your boot back. That's how you put your spark plug. We'll put the fuel filter in. Here's the new fuel filter. That's pretty much it. Drop it back down. Put your gas cap in. And that's it, guys. That's how to put your spark plug and your fuel filter in your Hs46C hedge trimmer. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.